Today I'm gonna make, hey look, today I'm making my own recipe of cupcakes and I'll let y'all taste it. Okay, bye. I'm using milk, flour, and sugar, and then obviously chocolate chips. And we have some cupcake holders, cupcake wrappers in the pantry.
And eggs.
Yeah, and eggs. And I'm using 2 whiskers.
2 whiskers?
Whisks.
Okay.
Bye. Hey, y'all gonna watch me do some. Finish making it for the rest of the time. I'm almost done. So I've just been mixing it for a while. It has a lot of flour in it. We added too much. I think I added too much milk, but we only added a little bit of that. I got 3 things to mix in the pan, and then we have to get the cupcake things out and chocolate chips, which we haven't added them yet. It's starting to get kind of thick. It was pretty watery, like milk is very watery. It was like watery like milk, but now it's getting a lot better like dough, which that's how I want it to be, dough. Cause like I think that's how you make cookies. I've never made them by myself. But I'm gonna practice because I want to do it by myself whenever I get a little bit older. But I'm not putting it in the stove or anything because I'm only 7. And I'm very scared to put it in the stove. Now I'm just scraping the sides to make sure I don't have any extra left. And I think it's ready to pour in the pans. I'm gonna go get my cupcake things. And first I gotta put my chocolate chips in.
Do what?
Do I put my chocolate chips in first?
Yeah, you can put them in. Yeah, you can mix them in if you want.
I forgot all about them. Can I use my hands?
Yeah, you can just dump it. You don't tear it. Don't tear it. Just dump a little bit at a time.
That's enough.
That's not too much. That's good.
We added 2 eggs. We are making something new. What's it called, Mama?
Meatloaf.
Meatloaf. We are making meatloaf. And I remembered that I wanted to make my own recipe of cookies.
Do you want some more chocolate chip?
No, I think that's enough.
Okay.
Get a few more. Stay down. I'm doing it fast. I'm gonna go get the here they are. They're gonna be Peppa Pig. I like Peppa Pig. Oh no, we only have a few. Don't have many.
Oh, shut the refrigerator.
You will. I'm gonna let y'all taste them. But first we gotta taste them.
So what are you doing now?
I'm putting the cupcake wrappers in the pan for whenever we put the whatever in there. We only have that many.
It's alright, you can do some without it.
Yeah. It's always okay.
Do you want a scoop or anything?
Ice cream scoop.
You want an ice cream scoop?
I
Okay.
got it. That's a pizza cutter. Ice cream scoop. Okay. I've never done this before. Excited. I've always wanted to do it by myself. I'm actually enjoying this. This is something that I really enjoy cooking. I've always wanted to do it by myself. Whenever Mama saw me cracking those eggs that good, she was like, okay, you're making scrambled eggs tomorrow. And I was like, yay! Because I know how to. I watch some YouTubers do it. I say everything. I try to do everything that's off the YouTube. Okay, I hope you like them. I'm gonna do this with you, KK, if you won't say Emalyn make cupcakes. KK, I hope you're making muffins right now. She said they take 10 days to make.
Yeah.
Almost done. That one has enough chocolate chips. Getting kind of messy, but it's okay. It's okay if you get messy. If I get cooking. Well, that one has a lot. Yeah.
You can do those two without liners if you want to. You don't have to.
And we do have icing, Mama.
Okay.
And I'm gonna put these on. They're for my friends, and I'm gonna make 2 Georges for Ellis and Ezra.
Okay.
But Ellis is at Gigi's spending the night.
Okay.
So yeah.
So what are we gonna do next?
Slide them in the oven.
Okay.
Let me go get a mitten because I think I want to do it by myself.
Okay.
I know where the mittens are. I
There's
see mitten before.
there's one more over there if you want it.
I did it.
Those are Memo's mittens.
Yay. I'm missing them all.
Can you open it up? Alright.
Woohoo!
You can put it on top if you want to.
I think that's
Alright.
good. Now they have to cook for an hour.
Okay.
I'm excited to decorate.
Alrighty.
Bye. Love y'all. So we're back and we got the cupcakes out of the oven. I burned myself whenever we were checking them. We're gonna put them in the fridge to let them cool. They don't look appetizing, but they're probably gonna be good. They smell really good. I think they are gonna be good. And then we have these color icings. I'm not gonna tell you until we ice them. I think we're gonna leave the cupcakes in for about half a minute. So we're back. They're done cooling. They're like a little bit warm. The icing's colors that we have are pink, white, green, and black. I'm making 3 boys because 3 boys in my family, including my dad. My dad's here. And they're all gonna get George, the boy. So let me pass out 3 of those. Good. 3. I burned my finger. I can't take it off for long. So we're just gonna get icing. I'm gonna start doing the girls. So I'm just gonna ice the whole cupcake pink, and then we'll do some decorations. It takes me a while to frost. I don't have anything to spread it with, and I don't really want to spread it out because that rips some of the cupcake part off. I'm making these for my family. Well, actually, I need 4. It's okay, it doesn't matter. I'll get it in a minute. I've already started frosting. It's really pink, dripping water. See if I can take it off for a few minutes. It's not that bad. Some isn't. I like the cupcake. Now we're gonna use the white and Mom cut these for me. Daddy, we're frosting cupcakes. I'm gonna make you and Ezra and Ellis one. I burned my thumb. My dad's here. And I'm talking to him.
You burned your thumb? Do you need me to kiss it, my beautiful daughter?
No. Well, there's one cupcake. One more.
You do one more?
Now I'm gonna do a boy. It's gonna be black. I mean green, and then we're gonna have black on it. It's gonna be fully green, and then we're gonna trace it out with black. It's almost Christmas, you guys. Merry Christmas. Hope you have a good Christmas. I love Christmas, and one of the things is that that I love about Christmas is my birthday. My brother's birthday is in Christmas, so it's almost his birthday. Is it the very last day of Christmas?
It is the 23rd.
23rd.
It's Christmas Eve. It's the night before Christmas Eve.
Oh my goodness. Is that the second night of Christmas?
It's 2 nights before Christmas. It's the night before Santa comes.
He gets a lot of presents because he gets some from Santa and from the family. I'm looking like I'm around a lot of my family, and I'm looking at like what they're saying to other people. Like my KK said to Lolo, she saw her purse and she was like, I wish I had a purse like that. And I said, KK, I have one like that. But I didn't think she could hear me because she never answered. But I have a really light purple. Ezra, don't come in here.
Go out in the backyard. Daddy's in the backyard.
Where?
In the back. Go to the back.
Just got out of the bath. Toddlers. Almost done. I like my cupcakes to be perfect.
Go out to Daddy.
Finished with the green. Now we're just gonna do the black. Just like I did to the pink one. And then we're gonna go back out. Wait a minute. Down. Runny nose. And that's my boys. I'm gonna not put these things on all of them because like it. Oh my goodness, I barely even have an ice cube on there. Because you don't want to waste these. We don't have many, so I'll call you in a little bit. Bye. So we finished icing them. It took us a while. We included the inventor, and here's how they finished, boy and girl, because I have a lot of girls and a lot of boys in my family, and these are for all my family. I know most of them girls are just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 5 and 5, so we have 10 cupcakes. If they are good, we're gonna make another batch. And if we have leftovers, we may like another batch. We're gonna use all of that mix if these are good.
Do you want to eat one?
Yeah.
See how it tastes?
You wanna come on, Daddy, Ezra, we're tasting. Mama. Here's yours.
Thank you. This is mine.
Daddy here. And Ezra here.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Wonder what they're gonna taste like.
They're all Peppa Pig. Whoa, my wrapper won't come off.
It kind of stick to the wrapper a little. Icing's good, I bet.
Tastes very good.
Yummy, yummy, yummy,
Only
yummy.
at the top.
Daddy, Daddy, on your finger.
Good? Is it good, Ezra?
Dad, put
Tastes kind of like hot chocolate.
Does? That's good to help everyone learn what they taste like. Good to describe them. What you think? You gonna make another batch? All right.
Bye. Let's go.